Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to operate and use this commercial ice maker. First of all, everyone installs the water inlet pipes on the back of the machine. Then you plug in the power plug of the machine. After plugging in, everyone carefully looks at the display screen. There is a 20 degrees on it, and then plus 0 meters. There is also a flashing switch light in the upper right corner. The 20 degrees means that the ambient temperature around your machine is 20 degrees, and then plus or minus 0 meters to set the time. For example, I have added 0 meters here, because the factory setting is plus OM. You can directly press the plus or minus sign, add 1M, add 2M. For example, I have pressed plus 5M here, and the set time will increase by 5 minutes, and your ice cubes will become relatively thicker. Similarly, if you press the minus sign, I have pressed to minus 5 meters here, which is equivalent to that the ice making time will be shortened by 5 minutes and the ice cube will be thinner, depending on your specific needs. And our factory default setting is OM. Well, because you have just received the machine initially, we can start its automatic cleaning mode. Automatic cleaning, you just need to hold down the timing key for 5 seconds continuously and don't let go. Okay, here a water shortage symbol will be displayed. When the water shortage symbol is displayed, there is an arrow flashing. The water tank will start to automatically intake water because you have already connected the water pipe. You can see that when the water level is replenished, the machine will naturally start to flow water, and it will start to flow water on the screen, which means it is in the process of automatic cleaning. At this time, there will be a sign like wind blowing rotating on it, and there is also a 20 meters in the upper left corner. This automatic cleaning lasts for 20 minutes. Then you can look from the middle of the door frame. There is a white pipe at the back. If your water flow is not very uniform, you can adjust this pipe left and right to make the water flow more uniform on the ice grid. Each small hole is flowing down along the metal grid. Okay. If you have just started to use it and after the automatic cleaning is finished, I still have 20 minutes for the automatic cleaning to finish. If you want to stop the automatic cleaning in the middle, you can directly press the on-off key once and the machine will stop automatically. For example, I press it here and the automatic cleaning stops. And after you finish the cleaning, you pull out this hose inside and drain the water. There's also a timing function here. The timing function is equivalent to that the switch light is flashing now and the machine is in the standby state without any movement. At this time, you can start its timed startup. Press the timing key once, and then through the plus and minus signs, there will be a bell 05 at the lower left corner. For example, I have pressed to 05H now, which is equivalent to that the machine will start up automatically after 5 hours. You don't need to care about it. Then, if you don't want the timed startup that you have already set, for example, I have already set 05H here, which means the startup after 5 hours and you want to cancel it. You can directly press the on-off key once, and the machine is equivalent to starting up, and this timing function is cancelled. I press it here and it is equivalent to that the machine starts up automatically. When it starts up, there is a sign here. 3 signs similar to 3 ice cubes are flashing back and forth, which means the machine is making ice normally. At this time, you can also start its timed shutdown mode in the same way. Press the timing key once and a number will jump out here. Also through the plus and minus signs, for example, 05H, which is equivalent to that the machine will shut down automatically after 5 hours. The treatment is that after 5 hours the machine will stop automatically and you don't need to care about it. And as for the plus and minus signs mentioned before, to adjust the thickness of the ice ring. But if you adjust it during the ice making process, it has to wait for the next round of ice making. That is to say, after this round of ice cubes is made and taken off, the next round of ice making will take effect. I have pressed plus 5 meters here, which is equivalent to that after this round of ice cubes is made, the ice making time of the next round will increase by 5 minutes and the ice cube will become thicker. If you want to cancel it during the ice making process, you can also directly press the on-off key and the machine will stop running automatically. Of course, the timed shutdown you have set is also cancelled. If you want to time it, you have to press it again. Also, we have a set ice full function and water shortage signal here. What does the ice full function mean? It is equivalent to that after you make ice to a certain extent, the ice in the ice storage box is full. To what extent? After a round of ice cubes fall and press this plastic baffle like this, the ice here is full, and after the last round of ice cubes fall, this baffle, the machine defaults to the ice full state. What does that mean? Let me demonstrate it to everyone. Look, during the operation of the machine, if you press this baffle down like this, there will be an iceful symbol on the machine. This lights up. If you take out a round of ice cubes directly, take out one plate, the top one, then this baffle will pop up. Well, after it pops up, this iceful symbol will disappear automatically and will start to make ice again in a new round. There's also a water inlet symbol here. Before, when our machine just started the automatic cleaning mode at the beginning, this symbol also lit up, indicating that the water tank is in the process of taking in water at this time. There is an arrow here. When there is an arrow flashing, it means it is in the process of taking in water. If this symbol is constantly on and not flashing, it means that your machine has insufficient water supply for a long time, resulting in a water shortage state. At this time, if the external water source is normal, it will not take in water normally either. You need to unplug the power socket of the machine and turn it on again normally. Okay, well, our double layer paper area introduction here.